My child's birthday is next. Am I supposed to match this? You and your kids walk in and you see it immediately. Frosted cupcakes stacked beside the cake. Bright drinks glowing in clear cups. Bowls of chips and neon snacks within reach. Goodie bags already packed with candy, lined up neatly, ready to go. Your children's eyes widen. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. And in that quiet second, you already know. That goodie bag is coming home, which means the sugar rush will not end when the party ends. You will leave just as they are slowing down, and then you will hear it. Can I have my goodie bag now? You are ready for quiet. They are ready for round 2. And somewhere between the frosting and the car ride home, another thought creeps in. My child's birthday is next. Am I supposed to match this? That is where the real pressure lives. This isn't about cupcakes. It's about escalation. Somewhere along the way, more sugar started, meaning more fun. But when the food table becomes the entertainment, something shifts. Children orbit the sweets. They compare. They trade. They stack their plates just in case something runs out. And then they take a second wave home in a goodie bag. When everything is special, nothing feels special. Sugar used to be punctuation. Now it's the headline and the encore. And the crash doesn't happen at the party. It happens in your car. At bedtime, the next morning. Bright sugar, loud music, constant grazing. Intensity stacked on intensity. Blood sugar rises quickly, then falls quickly. What follows looks like tears over small things. An edge that wasn't there before. Not because sugar is evil, because bodies are built for rhythm, not spikes. Now, here's the relief. Children measure joy in activity, not frosting height. They remember the scavenger hunt, the water balloons, the relay race, playing with their friends, the moment everyone laughed at once. They do not remember the third cupcake. So the solution isn't eliminating cake, it's restoring order. Shift the table. Create color from real food. Fruit skewers in bright rows. Popcorn in paper cups. Simple sandwiches cut into triangles. Food that fills them before it thrills them. And then one cake, not towering, not theatrical, just a simple one-layer chocolate cake with fluffy frosting. Manageable, something you can make yourself, and that is enough. When the table is steady, the energy is steadier. And when the energy is steadier, the crash softens. You do not need to match the display. You are not competing with another parent's dessert table. You are simply choosing what works for your child. Keep it steady. Keep it simple. One cake, enough sweetness, plenty of play. That is more than enough. Kids will remember the fun, not the food. Grandmother's Kitchen, where we keep celebrations sweet, not overwhelming. If you'd like to make a simple chocolate frosted cake yourself, I'll leave an easy recipe here for you for the chocolate cake and the chocolate buttercream frosting.